Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show how to make tasty protein semolina cake. It's so easy to make. We need 120 grams of semolina. Add 70 grams of protein without additives. And mix thoroughly. Add 300 grams of thick yogurt. Mix it up. Let the semolina swell for about 10 minutes. This pie with lemon zest turns out to be very tasty. We need the yellow zest of 1 lemon. Put it in the dough. I'm gonna put the rest of the ingredients. 3 eggs, 10 grams of baking powder, sweetener, it's totally up to you. Mix all the ingredients. I put it in a baking dish and I bake it in the oven for 35 minutes. The simplest semolina cake is ready. We check the readiness with a wooden skewer. It will be delicious if you soak this cake right away after baking. I have 100 grams of liquid, water and natural sugar-free syrup. You can also use lemon juice with water and sweetener. This option contains fewer carbs. Here's such a yummy and flavored cake. Lemon zest always gives an amazing flavor. Very simple and delicious cake. The full recipe is available in the description box below. Subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much for watching and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.